Hi guys, this is Vince from D-Link Philippines. So today, we're going to do an unboxing video of our new mesh Wi-Fi solution, which is the D-Link Covr 1100 Wi-Fi mesh router. So the Covr 1100 series, okay, it supports smart roaming. This is Wave 2 AC MU-MIMO technology. It has smart steering. It is very simple to set up, okay, and it has parental controls. Expandable network, so pwede po tayong mag-add ng additional mesh device, and it will work on any ISP. So it doesn't matter kung sino po ang ating provider. It will definitely work on your current internet service. And believe it or not, kahit po maliit siya, okay, and this is very compact. This product, okay, it can have a coverage of around 3,500 square feet. Okay, and this Covr 1100 series, it comes with 2 packs like this one. Okay, so 2 packs meaning it has 2 devices inside, and it also have the 3-pack edition. So tara po, buksan na po natin. Here's the front of our Covr 1100. States here it's EasyMesh po. Covr 1200 dual band whole home mesh Wi-Fi system. Okay, and here makikita po natin D-Link Wi-Fi app. Ito po yung app na ginagamit para ma-install yung device. Available on both Android and iOS. And at the back, you'll be able to see here kung ano po yung mga features niya. Okay. And here, sample picture of the mesh device. See, it has a power button, 2 Ethernet LAN ports, and a power socket or connector. Okay, so let's unbox it. Ang laman ng box. So first off, okay, you'll see the common or the usual documentation. So we have the quick install card, quick setup guide, and of course the warranty information po ng device po natin. And of course, here's the unit itself. Ito po yung cover. So this is a 2-pack. So dalawa po yung unit na kasama sa box. Okay. So open po natin. Okay, so ito po yung first one. Okay, so as you can see here, ito po yung power. Okay, power, then internet port kung saan po kinoconnect yung ating modem or modem router, Ethernet for the LAN port, and the power adapter port. Okay. So let's put it aside first. And the second one is ganun din po ang kanyang itsura. Okay. Okay. And syempre kailangan niya ng power adapter. So each mesh device po natin comes with the power adapter, and of course you have a UTP cable included. Okay. So I think that's it. So ayun po yung laman ng ating Covr 1100 series na mesh router. So to summarize po, no, kung ano yung makikita or makukuha natin sa box. So you have here the warranty information, the quick setup guide, and the installation card. And you have the since this is a 2-pack device. So here, ito po yung mesh. Okay, and the other one is, they're actually the same. Okay, and also the, of course, the power adapters. So on our next video, I'm going to show you kung paano po siya kadali i-set up.